Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is my Kroger haul for October the 14th through October the 20th. And here are the items that I purchased. I have 3 of the 18 count eggs. And there is a 3 times digital coupon you need to load to your Kroger card at Kroger.com. And it makes these eggs 89 cents each. I have the Colgate toothpaste. One of them was $1.99 and the other one was $2.99. I had a $4 on 2 Kroger digital coupon. So it made those $1 for the 2, or 50 cents each. Then I have the Special K pastries. And this one, there's an Ibotta rebate, and it's just for this particular flavor, the caramel latte. Their regular price $2.99 with the $1 Ibotta rebate. I have 2 of the Kroger waters. There are 2 for $5 this week. Next, I have 2 Soleil razors, the Simply Smooth. And I had a $3 coupon on each one of those. They are $2.49 each this week on Mega. The coupon's out of the 10-4 insert. Then I have the Game fireworks. Also had a $2 coupon on this one. $2 on this one. And these are $2.99. And after the coupon, it made it 99 cents for this one. So both coupons are in the 10-4 inserts. Next, I have the Nature Valley bars. I have 4 of those. They're on Mega, $1.99 each. And this time I had $1 on 2 digital on the Kroger, $1 on 2 Kroger digital coupon. And I also had $1 on 2 coupon from a box, from a Mott's Fruit Snacks box. They had a coupon on it for this product here on the back. Next, I purchased the coffees again. And I love these coffees. They are just delicious. So I decided to get 4 more. They're $3.19 on Mega. And no coupons for that one. Then I have the candy. And the candy is $1.50 each. And that is all I have today. I just have the candy, the coffee, the cereal bars, the Game, 2 of the waters, the pastries, the toothpaste, and the razors. And these razors. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.